Right, back at the allotment today, looking at pruning. Don't know much about pruning, so no, I don't think I'm going to prune that one. I don't think I'm going to prune that one either. I'm certainly going to look at pruning the hazelnuts, which look like they need a bit of a pruning. Might do a little bit on that. It's a bit chilly today. Unfortunately, still not got around to cleaning out the shed. Hoping to do that this week, to get it done, well, get it finished this week. Hopefully I'll be moving this and building a new one a little bit larger, somewhere where I can relax when it's raining or it's particularly cold. Yeah, overall the allotment's looking pretty tidy at the moment compared to where it was, what, 6 visits ago. But yeah, don't know. I'll have to have a look and see if I need to prune that or not. That looks quite bare, that tree. That was absolutely jam-packed with what I can only describe as a golden, delicious type apple, which I took off because there was hundreds on the floor. As you can probably see bits of them, but it was quite decent size. It tasted very, very nice. Don't worry, I didn't bite into one. We broke them up and just got in the inside of them. I don't think these black currant and red currant bushes need anything doing to them. Well, I hope they don't. We'll see. This itself, I think this is the pear tree. So I'll have to have a little read up, see what I've got to do. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye. Right, done. Didn't go drastic. A few branches here, well, a couple of branches here and there. Any crossovers, that sort of stuff. I think I could find that was dead. I just don't know enough to be going too drastic on these types of trees and plants at the moment. Obviously, I'll learn that as I go along. So, like I said, I just trimmed little bits here and there, not too much. Tried to stand that apple tree a bit straighter because it was leaning. Like I say, didn't go too mad. Need to have a little read up, I think. More of a read up about what should be pruned and what shouldn't be pruned. I'll do that and then come back and do a bit more. Hopefully, coming back during this week, Christmas Eve. Still got a bit of rubbish to do, clear that shed out, and then we're going to move that shed somewhere over here so we can start prepping to build the foundations for a decent size, maybe 10x8 or something like that, where I can, as I say, relax and chill, put all my tools. But I think that's it for today. My feet are freezing. Right, bye.